Good morning, dear students. Now, in the last episode, we discussed all the main points of that arithmetic progression and also the exercise 1 and also exercise 2. The first two main questions we have done. And the third question, that is, in the following arithmetic progressions, find the missing terms. That is the question. Then we work the first question. Then the second question for that main question 3 is missing term 13, missing term 3. Then we know that there are 4 terms: first, second, third, and fourth. This second, third, fourth, the missing term of this one is between 13 and 3. We know that the first term plus third term by 2 is the second term. Therefore, the missing term, that is first, second, third, fourth. That is answer is third term, that is A3, is equal to what? Half of the sum of first and last. That is 13 plus 3 by 2. That is 16 by 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, this missing term is 8. Then we know that D is the common difference between 13 and 8. D is equal to 8 minus 13 or 3 minus 8. Therefore, it is 8 minus 13 is equal to minus 5. Then, first term is second term minus D, because first term is A, second term is A plus D. Therefore, second term minus first term, we can subtract that D, we get the first term. Therefore, the first term A1 is equal to 13 minus D, that is equal to 13 minus minus 5. Then for the subtraction, add the first number, that is the basic concept. Add the first number with the additive inverse of second. Additive inverse means minus 5 is the second number, additive inverse is plus 5. 5 is a number, multiplicative inverse is 1 by 5. Multiplicative inverse means we take the reciprocal. Additive inverse means we take the opposite side. Therefore, adding that 13 into plus 5 or minus into minus is plus. Minus plus minus is always minus, but minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus, how many minus? 3 minus. Therefore, it is minus. Minus into minus into minus into minus. There are 4 minus. Therefore, multiplication is positive. That means we can multiply, that is basic. We can multiply minus even number of times, it is always positive. We can multiply negative odd number of times, it is always negative. For example, minus 1 raised to 1000. That means we can multiply minus 1000 number of times. 1000 is even, therefore the answer is always 1. Minus 1 raised to 999, that is 999. It is odd, therefore it is always minus. This is the basic concept. Therefore, minus into minus is plus, that is 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. So we know that is 18. Therefore, these are the missing terms of that arithmetic progression of that sequence. Okay? Clear. Then, the third question is, third question of main question number 3. Missing the terms 5, then missing term second term, third term missing, and 9 and a half is the fourth term. Okay? There are how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 terms. Therefore, first term is 5, that is answer A is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth term is 9 and a half. That is a 4 is equal to 9 and a half. That is in the mixed fraction. We can convert to that mixed fraction into improper fraction. Improper means numerator is more than the denominator. Numerator is less, it is proper. Numerator is more, it is improper. The value of that one is less than 1 for proper, and then the greater than 1, that is improper. Therefore, it is converted into improper, that is 2 into 9, that is 18, plus 1, that is 19. That is 19 by 2. That is 9 2s are 18 plus 1, that is 19 by 2. Then what is an A4? A4 is equal to B, no? A plus how many D? 3D. A4 is replaced by 19 and a half. 19 by 2. For 18 and 9 and a half, that is 19 by 2. Is equal to A 5 plus 3D. We know that is shifting that to 5 to the left, we get to minus 5. The right hand side is also right as left or left right as right. Therefore, 3D is equal to 19 by 2 is the left take. Shifting 5 into left, we get to minus. Therefore, take LCM 2 into 5, 10. That is 19 minus 10 divided by 2. 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2. Therefore, D is equal to 9 by 2 by 3. By 3 means that the 3 goes to the denominator. That is equal to 9 by 2 into 3. 3 and 9 cancels, we get to 3 by 2. Therefore, 3 by 2 is the common difference. Then 5 plus 3 by 2 we get the second thing. That term plus 3 by 2 we get the third thing. Therefore, second term A2 is equal to 5 plus 3 by 2. LCM is 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 13 by 2. Therefore, second missing term is, first missing term is 13 by 2. Then A3 is equal to A2 plus B. That is A2, what is 13 by 2 plus B, 3 by 2 is equal to 13 plus 3, 16 by 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, this missing term is 8. Okay, these are the answers. That means we know that there are two missing terms between 5 and 9 and a half. Between 2 means how many terms? 4 terms. Therefore, first term is 5 and the fourth term is 9. Using the formula A4 is equal to A plus 3D, we get the value for B. Then, first term plus D, we get the second term. Second term plus D, we get the third term. Third term plus D, we get the fourth term. Okay? Then, the fourth question, question number 4. Minus 4, comma, missing terms 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Then the last one, that is 6. Therefore, there are 4 terms between minus 4 and 6. That means there are 6 terms. 4 terms missing between 2. Therefore, how many terms? 6 terms of that series. Then answer is what? First term is minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth term, that is A6 is equal to 6. Then using this A6, what is A6? A6 is equal to how many? A plus 6 minus 1, that is 5. 5. A6 is replaced by 6. A is replaced by minus 4 plus 5B. Then shifting minus 4 to the left, we get a plus 4. Therefore, 5B is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Then D is equal to 10 by 5 is equal to 2. Therefore, we get 2. Then first plus B second. second plus d third, third plus d fourth, fourth plus d fifth. Therefore, a 2 is equal to minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. A3 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. A4 is equal to 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. A5 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then what is A6? 4 plus 2. What is the last thing? Therefore, the missing terms are minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2 and 4. These are the missing terms of that progression. Then question number 5 for that main question 3. First missing, second 38, then third, fourth, fifth and also minus 22. This is the fourth question of that exercise 5.2 for main question 3. Similarly, this is the first game, this is the second game, and the third, fourth, fifth, sixth. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this second game is what? Here. Is equal to 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth game, that is A6 is equal to minus 22. What is A2? A plus B. That is 38 is equal to A plus B. That is an equation. There are two variables, A and B. We cannot find out the A or B directly because first is A and B is added with the key figures. Then what is A6? A6 is equal to A plus 5D. What is A6? Minus 22 is equal to A plus 5D. That is the second key. That means to find out the missing terms, let us consider two equations. From 38 it is A plus D is equal to 38 and A plus 5D is equal to 22. The second equation is A plus 5D. That is A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. First equation is A plus D is equal to 38. There are two equations. A coefficient of A, B is same, coefficient of D is equal to same. Therefore, subtracting A minus A, what is it? 0. Therefore, subtracting, we can eliminate the variable A. Therefore, subtraction. This is notation. A minus A, 0. 5D minus 4D, that is 4D, is equal to minus. This also minus, that is minus 22 minus 38. They are always negative. Or we compare sign with the common sign. That is 8 plus 2, 10, 0. 3 plus 2, 5, 60. Therefore, minus 60. 4D is equal to minus 60. Therefore, D is what? Minus 60 by 4. 15 into 4. 15 into 2 is 30. Into 45. That means 4 times of 50. 2 times of 50 is 30. 4 times is 60. Therefore, minus 50 is the what? It is the common difference. Therefore, first term is 38 minus D. D is minus 50. Therefore, A is equal to 38 minus D. That is this one. Or substitute this value. Or otherwise, substitute this value in the first equation. That is 38 is equal to A plus D is minus 15. Minus 15 up to the left. That is 38 is equal to, sorry, A is equal to 38 plus 50 is equal to 53. Therefore, first term is 53. Therefore, it is 53. Then second term, third term. Therefore, third term, A3 is equal to 38 plus minus 15. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. That is 23. Therefore, 23. Then A4, that is the fourth term. A4 is equal to 23 plus B, that is minus 50. Then 23, 15, subtraction, 13 minus 5, 8. Therefore, 8. So, 28. Therefore, this term is 8. Then A5, that is fifth term, is equal to 8 plus B. That is 8 plus minus 15. 15 minus 5 will turn, minus 3 is equal to minus 7. Therefore, this missing term is minus 7. Then minus 7 plus minus 15, that is minus 22, that is last term. Therefore, fill the blanks or find the missing terms means all the elements are the elements of an AP. Therefore, the second term and the sixth term are given. We can find out the A plus 2D is equal, A plus D is equal to 38 and also A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. We get two equations in A and B. Subtracting these two, we get to D. Substituting first equation, we get to A. Therefore, that the first term is A and 38 plus D is second term. 23 plus D is that fourth term. And 28 plus D is equal to 50. Clear? Then the fifth question is missing, comma 38, comma 1, 2, 3. Missing. Yes, that is the fifth question is also we can done. Yes, okay. Then the main question number 3. Question number 4. Main question number 4. Which term of RAP 3, 8 to 13 etc. is 78. That is the question. Okay. Listen. This is a sequence, that is a sequence or that is an arithmetic progression. First term is 3. That is the answer. A is equal to 3. Then what is D? D is equal to 8 minus 3. It's equal to what? 5. Therefore, first term and also common difference are obtained using this equation. Then what is the last term? It is 78. Therefore, the nth term is 78. It is given. A n is equal to 78. We know that the number of terms of this that AP is obtained by the formula, that is n is equal to last term minus first term by common difference plus 1. Therefore, n is equal to an minus a by d plus 1. is equal to n, that is 78, minus a, d, by d, 5, plus 1, is equal to 78 minus 3, 75 by 5, plus 1. That is in 7, how many fives? 1 fives. The remainder to 25. 5 5 are 25, plus 1, is equal to 60. Therefore, the conclusion is 16th term is 78. That is the conclusion. Clear? That means first, second, third, etc. terms are given. Therefore, we can find out D. That is second minus first. And also the nth term n is given. That is 78. Then number of terms of that arithmetic progression is obtained using the formula n is equal to an minus a by d plus 1. We get to 60. Therefore, this 16th term is 78. Then question number 5. Find, same question, number of terms of following APs. Then first of that, the fifth question is 7, 13, 19, etc. 205. Same process. That is first term is A, common difference is second minus first. A is 205. Therefore, answer is what? Answer. It is simple question. A is equal to 7. D is equal to 13 minus 7. What is 13 minus 7? 6. 7 plus 6. 13. Then what is n? Is equal to 205. Therefore, n is equal to an minus a by d plus 1 is equal to 205 minus a is 7 by d 6 plus 1 is equal to 205 minus 5 200 minus 2, that is 198. 198 divided by 6 plus 1 is equal to 6 3s are 80. Then 6 3s are 80. Plus 1. That will be 4. Therefore, number of terms of that this first progression is 34. There are 34 numbers. Then, second question is 18, 15 and a half, then 13, etc. Last one is minus 47. Okay. Same type of question. Answer. A is equal to 80. B is equal to 15 and a half minus 80. 15 and a half means 15 into 2, 30 plus 1 31. That is equal to 31 by 2 minus 8. Is equal to 31 minus 16 by 2. 31 minus 16. 50. Yes, 15 by 2. That is B. Oh, it is 80. It is 80. That means it is negative. 15 and a half is divided by 2 minus not 80 is 80. Therefore, is equal to 31 minus 18 into 36 divided by 2. 31 minus 36, that is minus 22. Therefore D is minus 5 by 2. But it is decreasing because the last term is minus 47. Then n is equal to what? Minus 47. Then n is equal to what? An minus a by d plus 1 is equal to an minus 47 minus a 80 divided by d minus 5 by 2 plus 1. These numbers are negatives, therefore we can add and take the common side. That is equal to 8 plus 7, 50, remain 1. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. Divide by that is minus 5 by 2 plus. Then that 2 goes to the numerator. Therefore it is minus by minus is plus. 65 into 2 divided by 5 plus 1. That is 5 and 65 cancels, we get 1. 1 5 are 5 and 53. Therefore it is 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. Therefore, number of terms is 14. That is 13 into 2. That is 26 plus 1 is equal to 27. That is the correct answer. Then the sixth question, that is an important question. Check whether minus 150 is a 10 of 11, comma 8, comma 5, comma 2, etc. Listen, minus 150 is a 10 or not? Similarly, answer is A is equal to 11. D is equal to 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. That is decreasing. Then the last term let us assume that An is equal to minus 150. Then n is equal to An minus a by d plus 1 is equal to, what is n? Minus 150 minus a minus 11 by d minus 3 plus 1. That is 150 plus 11 is 161. This is equal to minus 161 by 3 plus 1. That is equal to by minus 3. Minus by minus plus is equal to 161 by 3 plus 1. We can divide 161 by 3. 3 5s are 15. Remainder is 1, 11. 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 2. That means this is not a natural number. So 161 by 3 is not a natural number. Therefore, minus 150 is not a tail. Or not a tail. That is the answer. If that am minus a is divisible by d, perfectly divisible by d, we know that that is a tail of that progression. Clear? Then question number 7. Find 31st tail of an AP whose 11th tail is 38 and the 16th term is 73. This is an important question. That there are two terms of that arithmetic progression are given. We can find out the first term. Two terms are also given. We can find out first term and the common difference. Then 31st term. Therefore, answer is the 11th term, that is a 11, is equal to 38. And the 16th term, a 16 is equal to 73. Two terms are given. Therefore, we get two equations in A and D. Solving these two, we get A and D. Then find out the 31st term. Then what is A11? A11 is equal to A plus 10B. And A16 is equal to A plus 15B. This is the highest number, which implies that A plus 15B is equal to 73. That is equation number 1. And A plus 10B is equal to 38. That is equation number 2. Therefore, coefficient of A B equal, therefore subtract. Then subtracting. A minus A 0. 15 minus 10, 5. It is 5D is equal to 73 minus 8. 38. 13 minus 8. 5. Then 6 minus 3. 3. That is 35. Therefore, D is equal to 35 by 5. That is 7. Then substitute this value in any one of the equation. The small equation is second equation. Therefore, substitute in 2. That is A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. That is A plus 70 is equal to 38. Therefore, A is equal to 38 minus 7. That is 70 minus 38. 10 minus 8, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. 30. That is equal to minus 32. Clear? Once again, the 11th term is 38, therefore A11 is equal to 38. 16th term is 73, therefore A16 is equal to 73. What is A11? A plus 10D is equal to A11. A16 is equal to A plus 15. This A plus 15D is A 16 is replaced by 73, that is first equation. And A is replaced by 38, that is the second equation. Subtracting B cancels the A. Then 15 minus 10, that is 5D. 73 minus 38 is 35. Therefore, D is 35 by 5 is equal to 7. Substitute this value in the second equation, that is A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. Therefore, A plus 70 is equal to 38. Therefore, A is equal to 38 minus 70 is equal to minus 32. Therefore, A minus 32, D is 7. Therefore, capital first A. A capital 1 is equal to A plus capital D is equal to, what is A? Minus capital 2 plus capital U. What is D? 7. Clear? That is equal to minus capital 2 plus 210. Therefore, 210 minus 32, 10 minus 2, 8, 10 minus 3, 7, 1. That is equal to 178. Then 8th question is, in an AP, there are 50 tapes. Third term is 12, and the last term is 50th tape. Use or not 6, find 29. Similarly for the previous question, answer is what? Third term, A3 is equal to 12. How many terms? 50 terms. Therefore, last term, that is 50 terms. A50 is equal to what? 106. Find 29th term means we can find out the first term and the common difference. Then what is AP? A plus 2D. Okay. What is A50? A plus 49D. Which implies that A plus 49B is equal to 106. And A plus 2D is equal to 12. There are two equations. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Subtracting. A cancels. 49 minus 2, that is 47D, is equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4. 10 minus 1, 9, that is 90. Therefore, D is equal to 94 by 47. 47 2s are 94. 7 2s are 14. 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Therefore, D is 2. Substituting D in the first equation. Second equation. A plus 2 into 2 is equal to 12. That is A plus 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, A is equal to 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Okay? Then we can find out the 29th case. A29 is equal to A plus 28D is equal to, what is A? 8 plus 28 into 2 is equal to 8 plus 8 2s are 16, that is 56. 56 plus 8 is equal to 64. Therefore, 29th term is 64. Then question number 9. Third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8. So the ninth question is third and ninth terms of an AP are given. Which term is 0? That means from that two given values we get two equations in the end. That is A3 is equal to 4, A9 is equal to minus 8. They are given. What is A3? Is equal to A plus 2D. What is A9? A plus 8D. Which implies that A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Question number 1. A plus 2D is equal to 4. Question number 2. Subtract. A cancels. 8 minus 2, 6D is equal to minus 8 minus 4, that is minus 12. Therefore, D is equal to minus 12 by 6 is equal to minus 2. Then substitute in the second equation. A plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, A minus 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, A is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Then which term? That means we can find out the position of that term 0. Clear? That is A D is equal to minus 2 and A is equal to 8. The position of that term 0, write as n is equal to 0. Then n is equal to last term minus first term by common difference plus 1 is equal to last term is 0 minus a is 8 divided by d is minus 2 plus 1. Minus by minus is plus 8 by 2 is equal to 4, that is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, fifth, that is a conclusion. Term is 0. Okay. Listen, A is 8, B is minus 2. Therefore, second term 8 minus 2, that is 6. Third term 6 minus 2, that is 4. Fourth term 4 minus 2, 2. And the fifth term 2 minus 2, 0. That is the answer. Then question number 10. 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Okay, that is the 10th question. Seventeenth term of an AP exceeds means it is increasing by 7 for 10th term. That is A17, that is the 17th term, is equal to A10 plus 7. This is the equation. That's the answer. What is A17? A plus 16D equal to what is A 10? A plus 9D plus 7. That is an equation with the A and D. Left side A, right side A cancels. They are same side. 9D should be left, that is 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. 16 minus 9. Is equal to 7. Therefore, D is equal to what? 7 by 7. That is what? Okay. Find the common difference. That is the question. Okay. Common difference is 7. That is the